Okay, so you want to make $1,000 every single day? Yes, of course, that is possible. That's why I'm here. So hey friends, I'm Vidya Bhushan, and today I'm gonna share how you can make $1,000 every single day without any investment. You do not have to invest any single penny for that. So today I'm going to show you the 4 ways how you can make $1,000 every single day. And there is also an update, or you can say that is surprise for you all guys. So for that surprise, you have to stay till the end of this video. So please watch full video and let's begin. First, Google My Business. So you can find many ways to earn money from Google My Business, but here is the one way which I'm going to share, which is enough to make $1,000 every single day by investing very less time. Yeah, that needs a bit knowledge of a computer, or you can do it on your smartphone also. So for that you have to search the businesses. How you can search? You just go to Google and just type hotels in Dubai, or restaurant in New York, or like bars in London. So you have to search this type of keyword. You will find that Google is listing some Google Map results, like the name of the restaurants or hotels in the search result. For that you have to go inside that, you just scroll it down, click on any business. You will find that whether it is verified or not. So find such businesses which is not verified. Choose that businesses, stalk them. Stalk means you just track them where they are available. If they are available on Facebook, if they are available on email, by going to their website, just check out how they can be reached. So go to their email address, email them, or give them a message on Messenger that hey, I have found that your business is not verified on Google My Business page. So it's mandatory to nowadays it's mandatory to verify your account to GMB. So I can help you with that. If you want to know more, you can reply me on the same. So I was able to send over between 50 to 70 every single day, emails or messages every single day, out of which I was able to get 2 to 3 to 4 messages or callbacks, or that means the replies every single day. So while talking on Facebook, on Facebook chat, or on Facebook call, we were chatting on video calling or on audio calling, and they used to tell me that okay, how you can solve my problem. So also they were asking how you are going to, how much you are going to charge. So at that time I was charging around between $100 to $500. That depends on me and my closing skills. Okay, so you can also charge $100 or $150 for doing this nowadays, because many persons are doing the same. So there are a lot more competition, so you have to lower your cost. So you can do this, and you can charge $100. Suppose if you are able to get 6 to 7 orders every single day, for that you have to send over 60, 70 or 100 emails. Yes, that takes a time, but it can convert you more and more leads, and by getting this you will be able to earn over $1,000. So it takes hardly 10 minutes to do. By investing 10 minutes for doing that service or providing that service to the customer, you can easily make $100. So if you are charging an average of $100, it will take you 10 projects or 10 orders to complete $1,000. That means it will take around 100 to 125 emails to convert you 10 leads or 10 real sales. So for that you have to work hard, and also you have to talk to the customer. It also depends on how you are talking to your customer. So please do that. You can make $1,000. There's no investment in that. You can contact them and you can find your client there. Second, this is the high income skill. Definitely you have heard this many times. This is nothing but copywriting. If you are a writer, or if you are enthusiastic about writing, if you are good at writing, then you can start this to write a sales copy. If you are in a copywriter, or you are a writer, you can make $1,000 every single day easily by writing a sales copy. Okay, so I have started this with $0. I was doing this for free. Like I was doing the GMB also for free, because I have targeted that client into to upsell my product. Like I was doing their Google verification for free, and later on I was upselling them, hey, if you want full SEO on local listings or local SEO, then you can contact me in future if you need me. So right now I have 33 clients from Australia, USA, Canada, and New Zealand, also from Dubai. These all countries I'm dealing with, and I'm having 33 clients from these all countries, with whom I am taking over between $2,500 to $3,500 for just for handling their Google My Business account. So I was doing that for free to upsell my next or my other services. So here I was doing the same. I have done I have written few of the copies for free to them. Then I changed to $5. Right now my charge is $3,000 for writing a single sales copy of up to 2,000 words. Okay, and it varies between $3,000 to $5,500 depending upon the different copies. If it is brochure, it costs higher. If it is a simple copy or email copy, it costs lower according to that. So it is between 3,000 to 5,500. So you can also charge that. Yes, of course, to reach this much of charge, you have to be more and more experienced. Like I am, I have started this 3.5 years back. So I have done that. I've written few free, and right now I'm writing it for $3,000 for single copy. So copywriting is the second skill which you have to generate, or you can make $1,000 easily every day by this process. Third, reselling. See, reselling, now you'll ask me, it is a type of affiliate marketing or this. No, reselling means you are getting commission per sale. And I'm not going to tell about affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing has, obviously it has a good commission, but you are going to take a high tickets to sell for. Suppose if you are selling a 5,000 product every single day and you are getting 20% of commission, then you know what is your commission, or what is your charge? It is $1,000 every single day. So you have to sell one you have to sell one product every single day of that, valued at $5,000. Of course, you have to learn that reselling business, or if you are good at that, you can do so. So the reselling, even I am giving reseller who is giving me the projects, I'm giving them 20%. I charge like $3,000. If they are giving me a project of $3,000, we are giving them 20% of the commission. We are also doing the same. You can also join us. You can if you want to know more about that, you can go to my Instagram and you can DM me over there. So I will reply there, because we are very updated on Instagram. So go and check me there. Fourth, consulting. So by consulting, you can make over $1,000 every single day. For that, of course, you have to join some groups, or you have to provide some values to them, so that they can believe on you. For making that believe, you have to provide some values in their life. So how you can do that? You have to be master in any niche. If you are a master of any niche, you can choose that as your career, and you can be a consultant of that, and you can charge. Right now we are consultant, we are giving consultation to just for our client, and very soon we are going to launch it globally, so that anyone can take our consultation. And right now we are charging $100 to $150 for every half an hour call. Half an hour doesn't mean that it is exact half an hour. It may be plus or minus 5 minutes. Okay, if my clients are able to understand, or we are able to solve their problems in 25 minutes, that's it, that's one session. Or if we are able to make them understand in 35 minutes, that's the another session. That means that is the one session, we count that as one session. So we solve their problems in that session, and for that they are paying us a good so for that you have to be good at any niche or any category. If you are good at that, then you can give consultation to anyone, and you can take charges from them. it can be $100. Or someone of them are charging, or someone of the higher consultants who are very big consultants, they are charging over $1,000 or $2,000 for 1 hour. So you can do so by getting more and more experience. If they can do, you also can do. So for that you have to gain more and more experiences, but you can start with $100. So you have to give 10 consultations every single day to get $1,000. So here it was the 4 tips. So now let's begin to the surprise which I have told you in the starting of the video. So you can also earn from $10,000 to $15,000 per month with us. So now you'll ask me how. As I've said that we are getting over 70 to 75 proposals every single week, and the numbers are growing day by day. So we have thought that we can export these, or we can just outsource these projects to you all guys. But to whom? How can I believe in you that you will write good copy so that you can maintain the name of Prolinko and Vidya Bhushan? So for that we are going to launch a course. Of course, that is not free. If you are getting anything for free, that means you are not providing any, or you will not be consistent for that course. So that is very premium course. If you want to earn more, you have to pay some premium or some good amount, because you are going to be professional. Till now we have not decided the price. We are deciding it, but we will try our best to keep that as minimum. But it is not going to be very less, because we have invested a lot in that. So we are going to launch a course of 3 months, where for the first 1 month and 1.5 months you are going to learn more about copywriting. What is copywriting? What are the many ways of copywriting? And also all the basics and advanced level copywriting. Okay. And for the next 15 days, you are going to practice. We are providing there the frameworks of practicing practice paper. So you have to practice there, and you have to just submit for checking. And for the last month, we have generated few frameworks, over 25 frameworks we have generated till now. So you have to go to each of the frameworks, and you have to write the copies. That is various type of copies, the sales copies, and the other various type of copies are there, which you will get revealed in the next video, or in the further videos, upcoming videos. But for that you have to comment below that yes, I want to buy that, or I want to know more about this course. For that you have to comment it below. So you will get 25 frameworks of tests. Okay, so based on the marks of that test, we are going to decide the cost or charges which we are going to provide you to write each copy. So the copies charge start with $500, and it will go up to 2,500, because if you are good copywriter, you will get 2,500. We are not going to charge anything from you. That means we are not going to take even a single bucks from you. If they are providing me 2,500, we will give you 2,500 or 2,400. If it is if we are taking $3,000, if someone is there, that means someone reseller is in between, we have to provide them 20%. So we will deduct 20% and we provide it to them, and the rest 2,400 will provide it to you. If you are eligible to get 2,400, that will be your cost. So based on that marks, we will provide you the money, and we'll also outsource our projects to you, so that we want to make our brand and our name to the market, and you can join us to do so. So we are going to launch that. We have launched a poll here. You can just go and type in a poll whether you are going to enroll in there, or you want to know more about that or not. You just go there and you just put your decision whether you want to know or not. So if you want to know, you just go and put that. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below, or if you want to know me personally, or if you want to ask a few questions personally, if you are related to that course, you can go to my Instagram, follow me, and send me the message. I will reply you. We reply there instantly. I will reply you there fastly. So go there and check that. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.